Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is wheel pose, also known as Chakrasana or upward bow pose or Urdhva Dhanurasana. Different names for the same pose, wheel pose. Friends, it's quite energizing pose, requires great stamina, determination and regular practice. So as and when you keep practicing this posture regularly, you will master it, and it's a great energizing pose as you keep practicing regularly. So friends, it comes into an advanced level. So whenever we see anything as advanced level, that means you need to have a regular practice. So it's an advanced level backward extension pose and a great chest opener, right? Or you can also say a heart opener. Friends, safety first. So if you have any chronic back injury, a carpal tunnel syndrome, diarrhea, headache, just avoid it. Okay, if you have any heart problem, that is weak heart or a high blood pressure or a low blood pressure, please avoid that pose, or if possible do it under a medical supervision or an experienced yoga teacher. It will be great in that case. Friends, women in pregnancy or menstruation should avoid that pose also. Now, before you get into the pose, as I told you, it's an advanced level backward extension pose. So whenever we say something in advance, we need to prepare. So a warm-up like a sun salutation would be great. Bhujangasana, that is your cobra pose. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, that is upward facing dog, would be great. So a Dhanurasana, that is a bow pose. Ushtrasana, that is a camel pose. And anything that basically stretches your hip flexors would be great. So a low lunge would be great as it's your opening the hip flexors. So friends, now let's get into the pose. So we start with a lying down position. Lying down from the sides. Now, it's important to check where my feet should be placed. It should be away, it should be near. Now, if you take the heel a little bit more near, you can feel a compression on the knee, some discomfort in the knee. So what I want is take the legs a little bit more away. Fine? If you are comfortable, or you can play around a little bit here and there and check the positioning. Fine? Now from here my shoulders are down. I don't squeeze my neck. So I let the shoulder go down. And the foundation of the feet, so the big toe and all these things are properly pressing it. The ball of the feet are pressing on the floor. You lift it up vertebrae by vertebrae. So you lift the tailbone up, then the lumbar spine, then the lower back, slowly and steadily coming up. Now from here, press your elbow, open the chest. Now let the palm go back. Now some people, if they find it difficult, they can always use a block and do it. So I place it one, then the other, lifting it up, maintaining it. I can press the palms and first keep it on the head on the floor. So it gives me a little bit more support here, and from here I can press the palms and lift up more. And I breathe. Neck and shoulders are relaxed. Enjoy your pose. Now, coming back slowly. And relax. You can relax in this position, or you can straighten your legs out and enjoy the pose. It's very energizing, and it also feels richness internally. It feels wonderful here. Breathe. So friends, that was your Chakrasana or a wheel pose. In case you find it difficult, you can always use blocks. So keep your palms on the blocks and take it in support of the wall. So in this way you can keep it and you can do the pose in Chakrasana. Friends, so that is one of the way also to do a wheel pose or Chakrasana. So friends, it's great for depression. It stimulates the thyroid and pituitary glands. It increases energy and counteracts depression. So if you have a mild depression, it gives you that great energy. So every time when you do a Chakrasana, it's a great energetic feeling. At the same time, great for asthma, back pain, infertility and osteoporosis. Especially with back pain, just go gradual. Instead of doing a Chakrasana, just do a bridge pose, that is Setu Bandhasana, and slowly and steadily you improve yourself. So friends, it brings a lot of blood to the brain. So it's a nice inversion also. So that was your wheel pose or Chakrasana. Friends, I'm Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any comments or suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.